coffee with the Mighty Miracleman time. There's no sunshine without some rain. There's no joy without a little pain. You have to realize you're going to go through some really hard things in life, but on the other side, it's going to get better. Just keep your head up, keep moving forward, and seize the day. Have some emotional control and live longer, feel better, add life to your years. If you guys need help or even just want help, come talk to us and check out all the links down below in the description to get any equipment you need. You've made it this far. I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch my video. And there's another one coming up. And if you would be so kind as to subscribe and make sure to hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a new video or go live, and be much appreciated. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your year.